Mechanization of rice cultivation. Successful journey towards rice farming. Rice is one of the staple crops of the world and widely cultivated in India. For ages, rice has been maintaining its place in people's diet and mostly in continent like Asia because of their tropical climate with high rainfall. This kind of climate helps rice to grow vigorously in compared to any other crop. Now let's hear the history of rice farming in Taluka Wada from Krishibhushan Mr. Anil Narayan Patil.
वाडे तालुक्यातील शेतीचा इतिहास जर बघायचं ठरवलं तर तो भातशेतीशिवाय पूर्ण होऊ शकणार नाही. कारण वाडे तालुक्यातलं पाऊसमान, भौगोलिक क्षेत्र आणि जडणघडण, जमिनीची जडणघडण जर बघितली तर भात हे इथलं मुख्य प्रमुख पीक आहे आणि त्याच्यावरच आपल्याला इथे काम करायला पाहिजे. त्या बाबतीत आम्ही वैतरणा शेतकरी उत्कर्ष मंडळाच्या माध्यमातून हे काम चालू केलेलं आहे आणि इथल्या शेतकऱ्याला कसा दिलासा देता येईल, त्याचे श्रम कमी कसे करता येतील याचा प्रकर्षाने आम्ही विचार करतो.
Take a look at the traditional methods used for rice farming in Taluka Wada. In traditional method, paddy farmers get their fields ready before the rainy season. That involves bhajni, where farmers burn their fields using dry leaves, grass, etc. Then the field is plowed to a depth of few inches, weeds are cleared, and seeds are sown directly into field before the arrival of rainy season. The grown seedlings are then uprooted and transplanted manually, which is apparently very labor intensive and also time consuming process. The field is prepared to transplant grown seedlings by puddling. After puddling is done, uprooted seedlings are transplanted manually in rows. Again, using manpower, the ripened rice is harvested. Harvesting is the process of collecting the mature rice crop from the field. Harvesting of paddy includes cutting, stalking, threshing, cleaning, and winnowing. After the paddy stalks have been gathered, the threshing is done and the grains are separated from the stalks, and unwanted particles are removed from the paddy grain by winnowing. All of this done manually. Hence, it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to cultivate the staple. Let's hear the disadvantages of traditional method of rice farming from Krishibhushan Shri Anil Narayan Patil.
भातशेती म्हणजे प्रचंड मेहनत किंवा दगदग आहे आणि त्याच्यासाठी आणि आता जी पिढी हे काम करत आहे ती पिढी थकलेली आहे आणि जी पिढी नवीन येऊ पाहत आहे ही पिढी खूप आश्वासक आहे आणि त्यांना नक्कीच हे सगळं करायचं नक्कीच आहे, पण त्या पारंपरिक पद्धतीने नाही तर त्यांना वेगळ्या प्रकारे कदाचित ते यांत्रिकीकरण असेल आणि भातशेतीची नर्सरी हा त्यांचा मुख्य फोकस असेल तर त्या दृष्टीने आम्ही भातशेतीमध्ये काम चालू केलेलं आहे.
Let's understand the use of technology in agricultural modernization. As we saw previously that the rice growing and production process is a very intensive and laborious process. Using technology or mechanization can help reduce the time and labor both. Transplantation is the method where seeds are sown first in the nursery in particular type of trays and transplanted into the main field later. Trays are kept at the proper place where there is enough of sunlight available. Considering the rainfall unpredictability, sprinklers are used. Conversely, green net is used to cover the trays to protect them from heavy rainfall. As you can see, it's very easy to cover or remove the net from the trays. You can see that the seedlings grown in the nursery are healthy and uniformly grown. We can separate grown seedlings from the tray effortlessly, and it requires minimum manpower compared to traditional method. As you can see that the transporting the grown seedlings is not difficult at all. Vaitana Shetkari Utkarsha Mandal has successfully completed this project using transplanting method. The next step in this method is transplanting the seedling in the field. Transplantation can be done manually or by using a rice transplanter. Let's take a look how to do it using machine. Use of machine saves lot of time as well as needs very less labor. Transplantation is also done uniformly using transplanter. As mentioned before, transplantation can be done manually as well, and that works well too. How much mechanization or use of machine can make one's life easier, that can be seen here. With the use of harvester, we save time and manpower while harvesting. Also, there are machines we can use for threshing and winnowing. Now, let's hear the importance of the management and the mechanization of rice cultivation in Krishibhushan Shri Anil Narayan Patil's words.
भातशेतीतलं जे बदल आहे किंवा यांत्रिकीकरण आहे त्याच्यातला महत्त्वाचा टप्पा आहे ही भातशेतीतली नर्सरी, आणि ते करण्यासाठी आम्ही जे प्रयत्न केलेले आहेत ते आपल्याला इथे निश्चितच बघावे लागतील. आणि ती जर नर्सरी गावोगावी पूर्ण तालुक्यामध्ये किंवा जिल्ह्यात यशस्वीरित्या सगळीकडे जर लोकप्रिय झाली तर भातशेतीतले कष्ट खूप कमी होतील आणि त्याचं उत्पादन जे आहे ते 25-30% वाढेल. असं आम्ही जे 4 वर्ष प्रयत्न करत आहोत वैतरणा शेतकरी उत्कर्ष मंडळाच्या माध्यमातून, त्याच्यातून आम्हाला ही गोष्ट पूर्ण लक्षात आलेली आहे की हा एक चांगला मुद्दा आहे किंवा हा एक चांगला पर्याय आहे.
For more information, please contact वैतरणा शेतकरी उत्कर्ष मंडळ सांगे, कृषिभूषण श्री अनिल नारायण पाटील. मोबाईल नंबर 9970978700. Thank you.